Hello, let me show you how you can use a single take on your Samsung S25. So as you know, the single take actually allows you to capture multiple photos and videos simultaneously, and it's located just right here in the more modes. And it allows you to actually capture them with a single press of shutter button. And this mode utilizes AI to provide a variety of shots. And before you start using this one, click on this icon and click on this one, and here you can choose what you want to capture. So select or unselect anything that you want to use. Now click OK, and right now you have to just grab your phone, click on this shutter, and now you got 10 seconds. You can also add an additional 5, for example, and you have to just show the camera what is in front of you. You have to focus on the things that you really want to capture in some different modes and angles, and after that, when it will be finished, your smartphone will start processing all of these things. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and then click on this icon in the gallery, and as you can see here, you can find this processing. So it was 4, now it is 6, and you can finally swipe up to get some more informations. And here we can find the boomerang clip, cropped shot, and when you go into the left side, we can find filtered picture, another one, original video, and the recommended the best shot. Of course, it's not looking good because I'm just sitting in my office in front of my desk, but if you are outside in some pretty nice places, then you will definitely get some great shots.